so that was just some of my things that I need for prep. Popped into Costco, got more of my bulk items, and noticed that I got a lot of proteins from there. It's a great deal, so cost efficient. So pop into Costco, get some of my bulk things, and now I still obviously need to get some smaller things that are particular that they don't carry there, or I don't need in bulk. So yeah, that just gives you a little insight on some things. I hope it helped you guys. Just seeing what it is to eat in a everyday life of a competitor. Alright guys, that showed you guys a grocery haul. Simple, very quick, just gave you a lot of my bulk stuff, my protein sources, my carb sources, some of my vegetable sources. So I got fruits, vegetables, some chicken, some beef, some shrimp, and I also got some good carbohydrates as well. So some fruits, some potatoes, some bread. Bread is not bad, guys. Gosh, pisses me off when people think carbs are so bad and bread is bad. It is not. It is energy. So it's when you use it, how you use it, meal timing, meal frequency. So I will break down my meals on the next episode. This because gives you a little insight on my day-to-day right now, what I'm actually having, and a little haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.